Welcome! In front of me I have CMF Watch Pro 2 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And on this screen you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the sun icon, and this is the screen brightness icon. To adjust the brightness, simply tap on this icon. As you can see, we can cycle between different levels of brightness by simply tapping on this icon repeatedly. So set the level you like, and once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. You can also do this through the settings. So if we press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and open the settings. So let's tap on the settings icon. Here we can scroll down, find the display and brightness option, tap on it, and right here we have the brightness option at the top. You can select it, and you can turn on the automatic one if you want to, or you can disable it, tap on customize, and now you can change the watch face to your liking by tapping or by sliding on the slider. I believe you can also use the crown to basically rotate the crown to adjust the brightness. And once you're done, you can press the crown button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.